This is the I-cord edge that we're using to manage all of our yarns in the back and keep a nice clean edge, even though we're using 4 different yarns. We stop with a slip 3 on our last row. So we need to make sure that this one that we just ended with gets reintroduced back into the I-cord edge. This is the yarn that we're going to start with now. We'll get our needles ready. This one will wrap around the other 3. That's how you capture them. And make sure that you've gone far enough over that you've captured the one that you just finished knitting with. Pick up our working yarn. Let these just hang. You don't have to make them tight, but you have captured them if they are all kind of almost looped over your working yarn. And from here, you just knit.